Hello everyone and welcome back to my another episode of Linux Command. Today we'll be trying to use a cat, grep, cut, set and awk command to harvest some system information, and in the process we'll learn how to use each of these commands. So let's get started. What we're trying to harvest today is something called total usable memory, and it's found on a file called proc meminfo. To see the content of the file, you type cat / proc meminfo, and you can see all the data are being displayed this way. So we're trying to use all this grep and awk to get this value, only this value, but this value I need to display in bytes, not in kilobytes. You have this command, this is going to be the first one, and just to get this line we're going to use a grep MemTotal. Type it to grep mem, you got to follow the same text, total T-E-A-L, and you can see it found this line. The output for this is that. So after that we're going to take this and we're going to pipe it to we're going to have to split this text and this text based on colon, and the format for that will be cut minus D for delimiter, and I'm going to use a colon as a delimiter, and minus F is fill. I'm going to get field number 2, this is field number 1, and this after this point here without the colon will be field number 2, just like that. And if you hit enter, so now I need to get rid of the leading spaces before the 3. I'm going to copy the same command, and to get rid of the leading space we're going to use sed, single quote s slash, and since this is a leading, so we're going to have to use a hat, and it's a space, and then anything after that. Just going to do this, which means get rid of completely. G to close it, and that. And now I can see you get that all the leading spaces got erased from the set command. Now we have that. We're going to pipe that output and try to get rid of the kilobyte here. And the delimiter between the number and the KB is the space. So we're going to use the cut command again, minus D for delimiter, and this time around it's going to be a space, and minus F, and define which field you want, number 1 or field number 2. It's going to be number 1 because we want the number, so you put 1 in there. So what you get from that is a number. So now you're going to take that number and you're going to have to multiply by 1024 so they can convert that into byte. For that you're going to use awk, single quote, I'm going to print out $0, which is the first argument, multiply that by 1024, which converts that into bytes. I'm going to close with the curly braces and close with a single quote. You can see that I took this number and multiplied by 1000. So now it is showing in bytes. To make it more intuitive, you can concatenate a text byte like that. And there you go. From this line, you convert it, you pull out this value, convert that into bytes, and it's showing in bytes. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe. Other than that, you have a good day. Bye now.